my name is Talia Goldstein, and I'm an assistant professor of applied developmental psychology at George Mason University. This is the video abstract for our new article in developmental science entitled Dramatic Pretend Play Games Uniquely Improve Emotional Control in Young Children. Social and emotional skills such as emotional control, theory of mind, empathy, and compassion are critical for children's social development, social understanding, as well as their academic success. Such skills have long been linked to children's engagement in pretend play, imaginative play, and even drama, theater, and acting. However, the question of causality remains. We wanted to determine, in the most rigorously controlled experiment that we could, whether or not engaging in dramatic pretend play games could increase 4- and 5-year-old children's social and emotional skills. We worked with 97 children in a federally funded Head Start program. They were randomly assigned at the child level to one of 3 conditions. In the dramatic pretend play game condition, children had 24 sessions, 3 times a week for 8 weeks, 30 minutes at a time, of dramatic pretend play games. These are the kinds of dramatic pretend play games that Viola Spolin invented to help work with children and adult actors to free up their acting. These included things like Bus Stop, where children put on different hats and then had to interact with each other in character, pretending they were at a bus stop. Or Emotion Ball, in which children held a pretend ball of emotion, expressed that emotion, passed it to the child next to them, and then around the circle they go. Or Walkabout, where children walked around the room pretending they were different animals or pretending they were on different surfaces, such as wading through a lake of molasses or bouncing as if they were on the moon. The 2 control conditions included block play, in which children, also in groups of 4 or 5, also led by a research assistant, built different structures made out of blocks. They physically moved around the table. However, importantly, they never embodied any emotion or character. The other control condition was story time, where children were read stories by a research assistant, and they were asked questions about plot, character, and narrative. But again, they never embodied emotion or embodied any sort of characterization. Children were tested by a separate group of research assistants before and after the 24 sessions, and all research assistants were blind to condition as well as to hypothesis of the study. We tested children on 3 separate measures of emotional control, as well as on measures of theory of mind, empathy, altruism, compassion, and helping. We found that children in the dramatic pretend play game condition uniquely improved their emotional control across 3 separate measures. However, they did not improve in their theory of mind, empathy, or altruism. These children were from low SES backgrounds, and therefore we concluded that the dramatic pretend play games uniquely improved their emotional control, their self-oriented social skills, but not their other-oriented social skills, such as theory of mind, empathy, and compassion. Happy reading!